teachers.
We've got some more fun games.
We were finished and thought, we've got more. So we're going to play some more just fun dice games just to practice on basic math fluency. So get out some dice and let's start playing.
Okay.
The first game, and again, notice I have my notebook here so that we don't make them noisy. This is just called Speed Roll, and this is a competition with yourself. So, Stephanie, you can go first. I'm going to get my timer, and you're going to roll for 30 seconds.
And just add them up
And
as
just
fast as I can.
add them. I would just do 2 dice.
Okay.
Because we're just practicing basic fact. All right, ready,
Okay,
Stephanie?
yeah.
Grab 2 dice. Go.
5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 are 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 6 9. 6 plus 2 8. 2 plus 3 5. 4 plus 4 8. 4
Stop.
plus 2 6.
Now, I just did it for 15 seconds, and Stephanie got 10 points. Now, I get the 2 dice. I'm going to pretend I'm a second grader.
Oh, sorry. Was I supposed to
That's
go so
okay.
fast?
And ready, set, and notice, Stephanie will keep tallies of my score. And ready, we're just going to do it for
I
15
can only beat Lisa
seconds.
if I don't pretend I'm a second grader.
6 plus 6 is 12. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Stop.
Stop. We're at 15 seconds.
Okay, so that was 15 seconds. Now we will do it again. Stephanie's only goal on the next time we play it would be to beat
10.
herself.
Oh, so I should have gone slow the first time.
My only goal would, because we're not in competition with each other, so that way you can pair up whoever you want. You can do it with the person sitting next to you. And their only goal is to
Beat
beat
themselves.
themselves. And the only thing I do is walk around with my stopwatch. I usually give them 15 or 30 seconds because it's hard to do it any longer than that.
And you have their partner do their tallies.
And I have, while they do it, they do their tallies. Yep.
Okay.
So that is just called speed roll. Okay, the next game is one of my absolute favorites, and I just call it Final Sum, and you can use as many dice as you want. I honestly like to use about 4 or 5 dice. What?
Quit using this one. We can't
Yeah,
see.
we can't see that way. So I'm going to use 5 dice because 5 dice is a nice number of dice. And the first thing you do is look for tens. So I find a 5 and 5 is 10. And then I add up 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 15. And then Stephanie would roll.
And I'm going to do 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 4 is another 10. 20.
So Stephanie would beat me. I usually don't even bother keeping score to see who won the most. But
it's just practice.
It's just practice. So final sum, 5 and 5 is 10. Now I could have done, 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So 16.
5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. 10 plus 7 is 17.
Good. And again, all you're doing is looking for tens. 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 10. Plus 3 plus 1 is 14. Again, you can use as many dice. Ooh, you've got to do some cool stuff.
I do. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Plus 1 is 11.
And again, you can add more dice. And honestly, more dice usually makes it a little easier because it makes it easier to find lots of tens. So 6, 3, 1 is 10. 6, 2, and 2 is 10. And then 3 and 3 is 6. So 26.
Ooh. I have 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 3, 33.
Nice. Again, this is just called final sum, and you honestly are just looking for partners to 10. 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 4, 3 and 2. Oh, I'm going to have to do a cover my 1. So I have 31. Okay, final sum. Super fun game to practice all year.
Let me do my last roll. 6 plus 4 are 10. 4 and 6, 10. I'm going to do the same thing. 3, 3, 3 is 9. Cover up my 1. I have 31.
We tied on our last row. Okay, that is final sum. Super fun. Look, it just reinforces tens. Okay, the next game is just war. How many dice do you want?
You took 4.
I took 3.
3, I'll do 3.
All right, and you're just playing war. Whoever gets the highest sum wins.
6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14.
6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So
I won.
You won the
12
point.
is greater than, or 14
Yep.
is greater.
You could do it where you subtract. Oh, 5 minus 5 equals 0.
6 minus 5 equals 1. I won by
You
1.
won. You could do it where the lowest score wins. 5 plus 4 is 9.
6 plus 5 is 11.
So I won because that time it was
we should have
lowest.
subtracted on that one.
6 plus 2 is 8.
3 plus 3 is 6.
Good. So that is just war, and it can be played anyway. I just thought of another fun game. I'm going to throw it on Stephanie. She's never played it. It's called Tops and Bottoms.
I played this?
Have you played Tops
I
and
don't know. I
Bottoms?
can't remember.
Dice are cool.
Oh, yes, I have.
Dice are cool if you look at them close. Every side, if I touch it, equals a 7.
Yep.
So if the top is a 6, the bottom is a 1. So I'm going to roll it. I'm going to do 2 dice. I get the tops
Okay.
because I rolled it. So 6 plus 2 is 8.
And so I have 1 plus 5 is 6.
Because on the bottom of a 6 is a 1. On the bottom of a 2 is a 5. So I got 8. You got
6.
6. So I won. Okay, you roll.
3 plus 1 equals 4.
I get the bottoms. 3's partner to 7 is 4, and you can turn it upside down to look. 1's partner is 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10.
And I did it as I knew that they should add up to 14.
That is true. You can
And
add it up
also
to 14.
I knew she would have 10.
Okay, so that's just called tops and bottoms. Again, all these directions we will give you the links for. All these are just super fun games where you have 5-7 minutes and you say, kids, take
Grab
out your
your dice.
dice, let's play. Absolutely no preparation at all. These are some of my favorite games.